Hi, my name is Anandi. Today we're going to do a class where we're going to learn how to move the arms while you are pole dancing. Because one thing is to learn the figures, the turns, but another thing is to put your arms following the music or the feelings. It's very important to let go in dance. In these reasons, there is no dancers. There's the dancer doesn't exist, but the dance indeed, yes, it exists. So we're gonna start with a warm-up, and then I'm gonna show you some moves following the rhythm and the lyrics of the music. In the music normally there is a bass, boom, 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 and the bass is like in Oriental dance is the ground, is the earth. This is where you want to do beats, pam, pam, pam. You can move your body or your legs, like in flamenco is the heels. Maybe in belly dancing can be also the hips or the shoulders, pam, 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 taka, 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 taka. Or in African, in any music. They are beats that are strong and sharp. And the other thing is the lyrical. The lyrical are the soft sounds, like ongoing, like you know, okay, like accordions, something that's not sharp, something that flows and can box. It can be also infinite. So first of all, you also have to learn this, I think, because as a dancer, I have learned that in Oriental dance, and I have also learned that with Let Go in Dance, meditation boot camps in India in the Osho commune. Also by acting career, there are some expression movements and exercises. Well, there's so many things to learn, but one of these is really cool. But to put it in practice, you have to put the music and feel the movement. So let's start doing that. And at the end, I will dance alone something. I don't know yet what it is, but that I will dance alone, and this is why you will see the way I move. And it's improvisation. Nothing is planned. This is the best part, because at the end, meditation, it's a dance, and dancing, it's a meditation. Life is also a meditation, and it's also a dance. So when you learn how to dance it, you can go with the flow, or with the beats, stark, strong, aggressive, passionate, aggressive, but in the good way, no? And it's something to learn that will help you in life, in your day-to-day. I hope you enjoy it. As you see, you can put your room, you have to find a nice place. For example, have this curtain here, lovely curtain. This place was just like that, so it's great because beneath is the bed where I'm sleeping. But there is a curtain that covers, and I put the painting there and the candle. This also helps you because it's like a meditation. It's this you can do anytime in your home. Just find a nice place where you can be intimate, closing the window so you don't feel observed, and you can really let go in dance, not hurting yourself, of course. Always be careful of the surroundings and never go crazy, just knowing what you're doing. And look at things, status or things that like you, light up an incense so it smells nice. You can even take a shower with your bath soaps, or even with salt, sea salt, and clean yourself here so all the bad energy goes away. I have put some perfume also because it's like you start feeling, and the sensations and the senses are going to improve like that. And yeah, let's do it. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe if you like this, if you like my content, to get notified when I upload the next video. And let me know if you want to learn anything else. So now I'm going
going to prepare the room. Prepare your room so you are comfortable. The lightning is very important. To close the window so you feel privacy. Also make sure the plants have water. You can light up a little candle. Take away all the things that you don't need in the room. Make space for movement to flow and come back. The less things you have, the better. I just find it so difficult to storage all my things. I would need a bigger closet, that's for sure. But for the moment, appreciating what I have and try to be as tidy as possible. These curtains were here and I didn't realize how beautiful they are and how great it is to have a dancing room. Some fire. In the year of the dragon, I myself am a fire dragon, so it's my year. I'm doing the voiceover right now. I'm looking very tired. Germany, there's no sun. It's been a long winter, and I've been also a bit sick. I haven't been pole dancing since a long time, but I'm doing it now, and hopefully I'll get in shape better. Let's start stretching your arms to the sides, keeping the back straight, and to the front. Breathing, listening to the music, and just connect with the ethereal, stretching all your muscles. There's nothing to think about. Just close your eyes. Just enjoy the music. Follow the music. Stretch your body as you wish. There's no pain needed to feel. You don't need to feel any pain. Just stretch your body. There's nothing to think. It's only you and the music. And backwards now so you can mirror me. Elbow up, hand, fingers down, breathing. Stretching your arm, pulling the elbow. Taking power of the space, regaining back your energy, flying. You are the power. You are a goddess. You have the power. You are power. It's only you and the music. Feeling the energy. hips up, maintaining the hip parallel with the shoulders and the knee, pushing your hip forward and back. Stretching your back behind the leg, maintaining the back straight.
Hafızlık olduğunu keşfettim. Görmedim. Hastalandım. Bir ciğerimi yudum yaktım. Gene ölmedim. Çöldürdüler beni. Kan kustum. Ama ölmedim. Yaşadım. Seni bir kez daha görebilmek için yaşadım.
Okay, so now we finish the stretching. To start the dance, we learn some moves, connecting with the music. Let's start. Thank you, Sarah Scott, for the merchandise. iPod. Sarah Scott from Expo, from UK. Lovely dancer and teacher.
you.